This is a 2015 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Low. This is the low model. It has been lowered approximately 1.7 inches by the factory. They achieved that through the suspension and also the seat. The color of this Ultra Limited Low is vivid black with gray pinstriping. It is a Rushmore Project bike, so it has the enhanced improved frame, improved suspension front and rear, redesigned saddlebags with the single latch, redesigned tour pack with the single latch and the heavy duty hinges, and also the redesigned batwing fairing. They achieved better aerodynamics in the upgrade and also added a vent in the front of the fairing to help reduce buffeting on the driver. This is a very low mileage Ultra Limited Low. It has 3,305 original miles on the odometer. Being a limited model, it has the painted inner fairing. It also has the 6.5-inch boom color touchscreen stereo system. It has AM, FM, also an interface with a hidden compartment for your phone that you have music on or an iPod. Also has the GPS navigation. Push button gas cap. Also has cruise control. Security system with 2 keys and 2 key fobs. This bike is in like new condition. There's no dents, tears, cuts, chips. Looks like a brand new bike. Seat is in excellent condition. Being a limited model, it has the liquid cooling to the heads. Also the black and chrome contrast cut custom wheels front and rear. It is equipped with the 103 high output engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. This bike is in fantastic condition. It also has the Harley Davidson luggage for the saddlebags and also the tour pack. This beautiful bike is ready for the highway, ready for your next road adventure. Also included on the Limited is the Harley Davidson Chrome Premium luggage rack, LED lighting on the back of the tour pack, LED fender tip lights front and rear. Gives you a lot of visibility out on the highway. It also has LED headlight and LED driving lights. Gives you a lot of visibility from the front, and at nighttime it really lights up the road. market for a new touring bike and you just can't wrap your head around laying down $29,000, $30,000 and getting stuck with all the dealer prep charges, freight charges, and setup charges, and dock fees, and all the other mystery fees that seem to get tacked onto the price of a new bike, take a good look at this like new 2015 Ultra Limited Low. This beautiful vivid black Limited Low has only 3,305 original miles. It's not even broken in yet. For information on how to put this beautiful bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.